What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at a 5-in-1 USB-C hub multi-port adapter. So this was sent out to me by a company called Lemorele. I think that's how you pronounce it. Big shout out to them for sending this over. So you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price right now is $19.99. They're also offering a 5% coupon you can apply as well. So I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Some of the features and details. This has high-speed and stable Ethernet wired internet connection for greater speed and stability, up to 1 gigabytes per second on your Ethernet. This also features super speed USB 3.0, data transfer up to 5 gigabytes per second, saving more data transfer time. 10 times faster than USB 2.0. You're going to have 4K at 30 Hz Ultra HD, streaming stunning detail, transfer media in seconds with 3D effect. You're going to have 100 watt PD charging, pass-through charging for your devices. And those are a few of the features and details. Like I said, I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and read up a little bit more about this device. But let's go ahead and take a look at the box. So here's the box, as you guys see. It has a nice picture of the device there. Then you're going to have some more of those specs there. As you guys see, you're going to have a USB-C port. You got a HDMI port. You got 2 USB 3.0 ports. And then you got your Ethernet port as well. So let's go ahead and get into this box and check this out. All right, unboxing knife on deck. Go ahead and get this cut open. So this is my first time working with this company. This seems like it's going to be a great add-on here. And let's take a look at it. Check it out. It has a lot of nice ports and things on here. And that's all in the box. So you're going to get sharing is caring, a thank you note from them. And then here's the hub. So first off, you're going to have your branding on there. This feels like some type of aluminum. You got plastic going around here, Type-C in right here, and here's your kind of short cable coming from it. And then you're going to have your 2 USB ports there, your HDMI, and then your Type-C port, and here's your Ethernet port right here. So this is going to be great. So let's go ahead, hook this up to a few devices and check it out. Okay guys, so we're back in. I have the Microsoft Surface Go 3 here. I've taken the keyboard off, laid it over to the side. So let's go ahead and take the hub and plug it in and try out a few things here. So I have the hub plugged in. Now we're going to go ahead and take one of my little thumb drives here and plug it in. As you guys see, it did come up. Let's go ahead and open this up and see if we can see the files on it. As you guys see, files are there. Let's go ahead and open up something here. So there's a photo of my grandkids, my daughters, and my grandson. There they are again, cuties. So we're going to go ahead and close that one out. Let's go ahead and plug in another one. See if it recognizes it. And here it is. It finally came up. Continue while scanning. I know it's safe. So this one has some videos on here. Let's just pick a video and make sure it'll play. And this was from way back when we took my grandson to see Yo Gabba Gabba. This was actually filmed with an old BlackBerry phone I had back then. And I still have that footage. So as you guys see, it is reading that card as well. We'll go ahead and stop this and get out of here. All right, so it is reading both of those. And let's go ahead and try out the HDMI. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my monitor there. And as you guys see, briefly does that. And now my monitor is plugged in, as you guys see, mirroring the tablet down below. So that is working. And then next, we'll go ahead and try to pass through charging here. So it is plugged in. Let's see if it's charging. And as you guys may or may not be able to see, it is charging it right here. It does have the little charging indicator light there. So everything is working. The only thing I cannot try out is the Ethernet. I don't have that. But as you guys see, everything's working. Let me go ahead and try one more thing. The reason I want to try a mouse on this as well. So let me get that set up. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have my Logitech mouse here. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the little hub for the mouse in, just like that. And let me bring the mouse pointer down. As you guys see, here it is. I can go down and I can open up browser if I want to. Here's the Chrome browser. You guys see how fast that is? Working on the Microsoft Surface Go 3. This is the base model as well. So, but I can go up here and I can drag this back down from the top. Now this is from this thumb drive that I have plugged in. And I can go back to that same video and play it down here. So this little hub is working great, man. No issues with this at all. All right, guys, so one more thing to try here. I have a MP4 file here that's not quite a gigabyte. I want to take it transfer it from my thumb drive to my desktop. And here's the video. It's just me. This is a long time ago. I got the Apple phone and the BlackBerry phone there doing a little comparison. Like I said, it's an MP4 file. It's not quite a gigabyte. I'm going to drag it from my thumb drive to my desktop. And let's see how fast that can get that done. As you guys see, the progress bar there is moving along. And we'll just see how long this takes. And after this is done, we're going to go ahead and finish off the video. But this is just a little bit of to let you guys see how fast the transfer speeds going from the thumb drive to the desktop right there. Almost done. So there it is. As you guys see, it's transferred over here. Let's go ahead and see if we can play it. And there's the video. So let's go ahead and finish off this video. All right, guys, so this has been my look at the Lemorele 5-in-1 USB-C hub. Works great, man. I really like it. I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.